Understanding Be of the Same Blood, an English phrase explained. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to dive into the meaning and usage of the phrase, be of the same blood. It's a fascinating expression that appears in various contexts, and understanding it can add a rich layer of meaning to your comprehension and use of English. Let's get started. The phrase, be of the same blood, refers to individuals who are related by birth, sharing a common ancestry or lineage. This can include immediate family members, like parents and children, as well as extended relatives such as cousins, aunts, and uncles. The key point here is the shared genetic heritage or familial bond that connects people across generations. The concept of being of the same blood has deep roots in history and literature, emphasizing the importance of family ties and heritage. It's been used to highlight the strength of familial bonds, loyalty, and shared responsibilities among family members. Understanding this historical context can enrich your appreciation of how and why the phrase is used today. In modern English, be of the same blood can be used both literally and metaphorically. Literally, it continues to refer to family relationships. Metaphorically, it can describe a deep connection or shared characteristics between individuals who are not related by blood but feel a strong bond or kinship, such as close friends or comrades. Here are a few examples to illustrate its use. Even though we're not related, I consider her to be of the same blood because of the strong friendship we share. The two companies may be competitors now, but they were of the same blood, founded by brothers who later chose separate paths. We hope this explanation of be of the same blood helps you understand the depth and breadth of this phrase in English. Whether discussing family history or the bonds that unite us beyond genetics, this expression carries a powerful meaning. Remember, learning English opens up a world of expressions that reflect the complexity of human relationships and emotions. Keep exploring, and you'll find even more treasures in the language. Thanks for watching, and we hope to see you in our next video.